merit. Duty pre-commissioned training cadets in order of merit. May you please give him a... May I also add that the overall best cadet will be awarded with a Sword of Honor, which is an age-old practice in the Nigerian Naval College.
With deep sense of gratitude to Almighty God, that I warmly welcome you all to the passing out parade of cadets from the Direct Short Service Course 29 and the Special Duty Pre-Commissioned Training 2024 here at the Nigerian Naval College, Ibubu. Today is a proud moment for the college, for the Nigerian Navy, and especially for the 264 cadets who will soon be commissioned as officers of the Nigerian Navy. This college continues to distinguish itself as a premier naval training institution, not only in Nigeria but across the sub-region. As you all know, our nation contends with diverse security threats, such as insurgency, banditry, kidnapping, and maritime crime. In response, the Nigerian Navy remains fully deployed in key theater, supporting national security and safeguarding our waters. Through our efforts in the maritime domain, especially in Niger Delta, we have seen a positive impact, including an increase in crude oil production, which now exceeds 1.7 million barrels per day. That is no small feat. The Navy is also taking bold steps to modernize and expand. These include establishment of new commands and units like a Special Operation Command and the Nigerian Navy Marine, new bases like NSS Maiduguri and Naval Base Ipe have come online, alongside forward operating units and schools across the country. The relocation of a key institutions such as the Naval Training Command and its Naval College are a sign of real progress, guided by sound leadership and a commitment to excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, the Navy fleet is also growing new ships, helicopters, boats, and UAVs have been inducted, and 2 seaward defense boats are currently being built right here in Nigeria under the Navy. We are also investing in manpower through training and improved welfare on international cooperation exercises like Obangami Express, Grand Africa Memo, and Flintlock, alongside strategic memoranda of understanding, including one recently signed with the African Union for strategic sea lift, underscore our richness and relevance. These efforts are not just about ships or infrastructures. They are about building a Navy that can shape security outcome for the good of our nation. To our passing out cadet, this is your day, and I say congratulations to all of you. You have completed a demanding journey. You have proven your strength, your resilience, and your determination. But let me be clear, this is just the beginning. As you are commissioned today, greater responsibility awaits you. You must remain disciplined. You must be loyal. You must be bold, fast, and you hold fast to the Navy's core values and professionalism, teamwork, and integrity. These are not just words. They are the foundation of trust and leadership. Avoid distraction. Avoid misconduct. Let your action reflect the training and values you have received from this college. Let me reassure you that the President and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, His Excellency, Senator Bola Ahmed TINUBU, GCFR, remain committed to supporting the armed forces with the tools, resources, and policies needed to secure our nation. As officers, your loyalty to the Constitution and to the law authority must be unwavering. I commend the Chief of the Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ogala, for his vision and leadership. I also acknowledge the effort of the Flag Officers Commanding Naval Training Command, the Commandant and the staff of the college for the quality of training delivered here. Your work is evident in the performance of this cadet today. Let me also extend my appreciation to the sole administrator, the government and good people of Rivers State, the royal fathers, and all other citizens of Rivers State for their support to the college and Navy at large. To the Chief of Defense Staff and other service chiefs, law enforcement agencies, traditional rulers, captain of industry, and all invited guests, thank you for standing with the Nigerian Navy. To the families of our cadets, your sacrifices made this day possible. We thank you and God bless all of you. As we celebrate this important milestone, I wish you all journey mercy to our various destination. Thank you for your kind attention.